How to fix no audio devices installed in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're facing the frustrating issue of no audio devices installed on your Windows 11, you're in the right place. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's get started by accessing the device manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the start button and selecting device manager from the list. This is where we'll manage our audio devices. Once you're in the device manager, look for the sound, video and game controllers. Click on the arrow to expand it. If you see any devices listed here, right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search automatically for the updated driver software. After updating your drivers, it's important to restart your computer. This will ensure that all the changes take effect properly. And that's it. Hopefully your audio issue is now resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends who might need help, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.